Executive Director ONGC Ahmedabad Asset, Nominee Chairman Madam Priti, officers and other officials who have come from ONGC Chandkheda, Mr. Avidesh Kumar, the Principal of KV ONGC Chandkheda, the Principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya who have come from nearby KVs, the retired principals, invited guests, grandparents, parents, learned teachers and loving children. Once again, very good evening to all of you. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the prize-winning students and also the students who have participated in the various cultural programs. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the principal and staff members for their efforts that they have taken to arrange this function. I was told that this annual day function is now arranged after the gap of 3 years. We have made it compulsory now as a part of our activities. Rather, I have told my principals, if you are not conducting annual day, sports day, then I will reduce 1 mark out of your ACR, APAR. Because we believe in the overall personality development of the child. We don't want only the marks and grades. Marks are not important. The overall personality development of the child is more important. The KVS is having faith on that one. That's what we have been saying. You must have noticed one of the girls who was doing the anchoring told, we are fearless, we are strong. We try to produce the children without fear, with a strong, with a confidence, with the belief that they can win the world. We give importance to their life skills. We made it as a part of their curriculum in an integrated way. And as a part of celebration of Golden Jubilee year, the KVS has introduced new uniform, new logo. We have conducted traveling photo exhibition at your school, KV ONGC Chandkheda. It was opened by your respected ED, Mr. Chaturvedi ji. Take this opportunity once again to thank ONGC sir. Your sacrifice were all for us and you spend money for celebrating your Independence Day in front of your office. I have seen by spending a lot of money. Thank you. Apart from that one, we conducted regional youth parliament. Rather, we conducted national youth parliament also in KV ONGC Chandkheda. We have conducted social science exhibition. We have conducted regional science exhibition. We have conducted regional science exhibitions just now in EME Baroda in the last week. We have conducted regional games and sports. In the field of academics, we have distributed study materials. First time in the history of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangadan, we distributed study material for all the students of class 9 to 12, including the subject Sanskrit. Dear parents, I'm just remembering Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, our ex-president of India. He told once, if a country is to be free from corruption and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly believe that there are 3 key societal members who can make a difference. Only 3 key societal members, they can make a difference. They are father, mother, and teacher. Since all these 3 groups are sitting here, I would like to say only a few points, not to my children, I would like to say only to the parents who are sitting here. Dear parents, remember, you are the children's first and most important teacher. Don't come to the wrong conclusion that if you send your children to the school, the Kendriya Vidyalaya will take care of everything, the teachers will take care of everything. Of course. But remember, you are the most and foremost teacher in your house. Now, at home, what you are expecting? You are expected to give an academic environment in your house. In case if you are able to give a study room for your child, it is fine. In case you don't have that type of rooms, at least during their study hours, put up your TVs. You sometimes expect that your children to study by sitting in your bedroom or somewhere else, but you will be on the serial. I'm talking about me also. I am also a parent like you. It's not like that. We are responsible to create a good home environment that supports learning, provide a good place at the home for study. Talk to your children about the school work and the current events. Ask him, ask her, what happened today in the school? The child will tell today, sometimes, छोटा का बच्चा बोलेगा, आज स्कूल में कुछ नहीं हुआ. Fine, you ask the same question next day. Next day also if you are getting, नहीं मम्मी आज भी कुछ नहीं हुआ. It means either something is wrong with the school or something is wrong with the child. Come to the school, meet the sub-class teacher. In case the class teacher is not responding you properly, meet the head of the institution, the principal. You, without anything, you can tell. Remember, you have your right to tell. It is our duty to do. We are here to serve you, remember it. But come with a suggestion instead of the complaints. I used to tell in my staff meeting for my principals, nobody is perfect and nobody is imperfect. We learn by mistakes. We learn by doing. We learn by experience. So talk to the child, what happened in the school, what homework they have done, what homework they have given. So talk to them. Another one, teach your child to respect others. Again, I am repeating once again, I told in the beginning, you are the children first and most important teacher. Teach them how to respect the others. Slowly, slowly, the young generation is not respecting the elders. They think, पापा का पास बहुत पैसा है, मम्मी का पास बहुत पैसा है, किसी को रेस्पेक्ट करने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है. This is what sometimes the young generation, a few students or a few young generations are thinking, that we are also trying our level best, but that you can also do. Another one, to impress your children the importance of their hard work. Teach them what is the importance of hard work. We have been telling in our school or in our Kendriya Vidyalaya that there is no substitute for hard work. Everybody knows. But tell your child that there is no shortcut to success. I'm repeating my sentence once again. Tell your child that there is no shortcut for success. That don't ask for a trouble-free, blessed life for your child. Don't ask trouble-free, blessed life for your child. Dear parents, there is no such life. दुनिया में ऐसा कोई लाइफ नहीं है, trouble-free, blessed life. Friends, there is no easy way to success. Those who have made it in a life did not make it easy. Bamboo was cut to become a flute. Stone was chiseled to become a statue. Gold was melted to become an ornament. No shortcut. One has to struggle. One has to sacrifice. That's what I told in the beginning. Don't ask the God give me or give my child trouble-free, blessed life. ऐसा कोई दुनिया में life नहीं है. The child has to sacrifice. The child has to struggle in his life to come up. For that we have to. The parent, the teachers, the child, the administrators, we all together will try our level best to see that our child is coming up in their life. Okay. The root of education is bitter, but the fruits are so sweet. The other one I would like to say is, allow the child to be independent. This is another problem we are facing in the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangadan. I told when I spoke in the Sector 30 on the annual day, when I was an education officer in Chennai region, I visited one of the school KVs for inspection. 11 o'clock tea break, lunch break they call it. 11 to 11:30. I have seen at least some 300 parents. They came and started feeding their children during the break. Now the question will arise, which class? 4th standard, 5th standard, 6th standard. If it is class 1, no problem. Even then for me it is a problem. I told the principal, give the parents 1 week time. After that, no parent is allowed inside the campus during the working hours. 11 to 11:30, if they want, they can come and give the food to the security. They have to come, tell the parents within the 1 week, teach the child how to eat. In case, if they fail to teach how to eat, we will teach the children how to eat. What I am trying to say, the child should know, don't do the child work. If we give project work to the child, mummy is doing the project work. Daddy is running pillar to pillar. Dukan ghumte reh raha, kahan milega? I am very weak in Hindi, so please forgive me for my wrong Hindi sometime. Okay, mother is doing project work. The father is running to shop to buy. कोई ready-made मिल जाएगा तो मेरा बच्चा को ये वो मिल जाएगा. क्या करेगा ये वो से? It is for learning by doing. Allow the child to do it. Allow the child to be independent. Correct. Don't go for over-parenting. The educational research says that if you go for over-parenting, the child will perform underperformance. The child may go on depression. Remember it. Believe it, because we the educationists are saying to you. The research says. So don't go for over-parenting. Correct. All cannot become a doctors. If everybody become a doctors, there won't be any patients. Remember. लग रहा बहुत लोग समझ में नहीं आया. All cannot become a doctors. If everybody become a doctors, there is no patient. So in our education system, so we need doctors, we need engineers, we need scientists, we need chartered accountant, we need teachers also. So tell the child, let the child will select. Or nobody wants to become a teacher. This is a problem the India is facing. Last week, our Honorable HRD Minister gave an interview in Delhi. In India now, we have 6 lakh teacher posts are lying vacant. Day after tomorrow, we are going to conduct exams in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar in 8 centers for recruiting 9,200 teachers in Kendra Vidyalaya lying vacant. Sabhi doctor banna chahta hai. Fine. You study MBBS, MD, you come as an assistant professor for medical college. That's what I am trying to say. You want that your child has to do engineering? Fine. Let him do MTech, MS. Come as an assistant professor or associate professor for engineering colleges. That's what I am trying to say. Don't think that teaching post is not a good post. If you think like that, there won't be any good teacher to teach your grandchildren, I tell you, dear friends. With heavy heart I am telling. Nobody, the quality of teachers that we are getting, it's not so good. The truth is bitter sometimes, but at the head of the region, I have to tell what the input or raw material I am giving, that only I will get as a finished product. If the raw material is of inferior quality, I cannot expect a good quality of finished products. That you ONGC people may be knowing better than me. Then another one point only I would like to say is never speak ill of your teachers. Why the child doesn't want to become a teacher, you do know? He's seeing the teacher. In some houses, they speak ill of the teachers. They call the teachers by name. He's seeing everything. The same he is coming, he is not respected. So never, in case if you, otherwise don't, correct. Never speak ill of your teachers. Remember that your child is watching you. If you call your teacher, okay, by name, the child will also call the teacher by name. Teachers are the national builders, remember it. हो सकता है एक दो टीचर मटेरियल बिल्डर्स भी हो गया, but teachers are the national builders. Another important point I would like to say, allow the child to be independent. Of course, I told last time, create a confidence in his mind. Tell him to believe him. He can do better. Remember it. Okay, encourage them to read the good books. Allow them to watch the news in the TV. Allow them to use internet as and when required. Don't come to a wrong conclusion. He has come to 12th standard, TV को बंद करो, कंप्यूटर को बंद करो. वो पढ़ाई बंद करेगा आपका बेटा बेटी, याद रखना आप लोग. Allow him to see the TV. Fix the time. Internet, fix the time. I received one complaint from one of the parents. Sir, मेरा बेटा हमेशा मोबाइल पे फोन रखे रखे ऐसा कुछ करता है. Then what sound is coming, sir? He is opening, he is laughing, again he is sending. मैं बोला आपका इतना समझ में नहीं आया, वो व्हाट्सएप में भेज रहा है. हाँ, कितना पता करना वो लड़का का भेज रहा है लड़की का भेज रहा है वो तो मुझे मालूम नहीं है. But you tell me who gave that mobile to the son? You only gave. So you only purchase internet, you only giving computer, you only giving internet connection, you are only giving mobile phone. Why you are giving mobile phones? Don't give the mobile phones. Even the students are angry on me. Till 12th standard. Tell him the last working exam you write on the day evening, take him. Buy a good Samsung mobile because Samsung already Nokia ko khal chuka hai. No child wants Nokia mobile. You are thinking, how do I know? My son just finished 12th standard. मेरा मोबाइल वो टाइम में 4,000 रुपया था, मैं तो 10,000 रुपये का मोबाइल फोन लेकर दिया मेरा बेटा को. He is now doing first year engineering in Chennai. Be strict. नहीं सर वो ऐसा करेगा, वो he will run away. No, कहाँ जाएगा? आपका पास रहेगा. Don't fear to the child. करेगा नहीं. If you tell that no ऐसा है then it's very difficult. Okay. Allow him independent, let him go. He is telling that, Dad, Mummy, I want to go to today I'm make movie jana hai. Fine, allow, but you should not go every day. Once in a year you allow, what is the problem? That's what I told, don't go for over parenting. Okay, dear friends, okay, tell your child to dream big. This is again, Dr. Abdul Kalam ji se to main chori kiya thoda. Dream is what you see in sleep. It is things which does not let you to sleep. Tell your child to dream big. I want to be the Prime Minister of India. Nothing wrong in dreaming. Manmohan Singh ji never dreamed. Even then he is the Prime Minister of India. Everybody thought Sonia ji will become a Prime Minister of India. Manmohan Singh ji may come as a Finance Minister. Maximum people were thinking he is the Prime Minister of India. So tell your child to dream big. I want to become an army officer. I want to become a doctor. I want to become a scientist. N number of works are there, remember. Every job, every work is important, remember it. There is no, wo jada hai, kam hai, aisa high nahi, remember it. Okay. It is the things which does not let you sleep. Tell your child to believe in himself or herself. Khud believe karna hai. If she is not believing herself or himself, then who will believe? If I am not believing myself, then who will believe me? This is what I have been telling everywhere, wherever I am going for inspection. Last but not the least, I would like to say, since so many parents are there, you must have read the Times of India in the month of September. A student, old student of KV number 1 Sahiba, picked a job, got job in Microsoft for $1,80,000, which is equivalent to approximately 1 crore 8 lakh rupees per annum. Uska salary hai 9 lakh rupees per month. He was a student of KV number 1 Sahiba. He just passed with 72.6%. Remember, dear friends. The question is, why you are saying? I am saying that don't think that only the DPS child can do, only the public school student can do, even my KV can do, remember it. Our KV can do, KVS can do, remember it. So don't give importance to marks. 72.6% the child got. He didn't get the seat in LD Engineering College, which is supposed to be a good engineering college in Ahmedabad, I think so. He went to Mehsana to study in Patel Engineering College. Then he went to Singapore, of course, on scholarship. Now he's earning. When I set this example, I told another day in the National Youth Parliament also, I was sharing this one to one of the Kendriya Vidyalayas. Then मैं एक बच्चा से पूछा था, बता दो ये पैसा आपका इतना मिल गया तो आप क्या करेगा? Assume that you are getting 1 crore 8 lakh rupees per month. Mean 9 lakh rupees per month you are getting every month. क्या करेगा? सर मैं तो 2-3 मोबाइल ले लूंगा. बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा है. उसके बाद क्या करेगा? सर 2 दिन गाड़ी ले लूंगा सर. अरे कौन सा गाड़ी? He was telling so many गाड़ी, I don't know because I know only Maruti and Hyundai. Another one I don't have any name. He was selling some foreign car name and all. Okay, fine. उसके बाद क्या करेगा? सर हम 1-2 घर बनाएंगे सर. चलो बहुत अच्छा है. उसके बाद हम शादी करेंगे सर. मैं बोला वो तो 2 दिन नहीं कर सकता है. इसका मतलब you not understood my joke. मैं बोला बच्चा को 12th standard student. I told what I'm trying to say here. Money is not everything. Having said don't come to a wrong conclusion that I am talking about money. Money is not everything, remember, but you need money for everything. I am repeating once again, dear parents. Money is not everything, but you need money for everything. Money determines the status and standard of living of a person in the society. You can't buy knowledge and wisdom by paying money. You can't buy some people by even paying 100 crores of money. Correct. But if we need a standard of life, that is what we as a parent we are doing. Every parent, what we think, मेरा से भी मेरा बच्चा अच्छा होना है, बस. That's all. Why? Because he is your blood. Simple reason. सामने वाला का बच्चा नहीं पढ़ रहा है, हमको क्या प्रॉब्लम? Sometimes rather we are happy. चलो अच्छा है, उसे ठीक से नहीं पढ़ रहा है. This is what some few people psychology. Correct. So, since he is our blood, so we expect that my child should come first. He will come. Don't worry. I am giving a assurance to you. Correct. Allow the child to work independently. Allow the child to believe himself. Let him go with the self-confidence. My child, the Kendriya Vidyalaya child, may not get 100 out of 100 in physics, mathematics and biology. But no Kendriya Vidyalaya child will fail in his or her life. Can you tell me a single KB child who is running and roaming on the roads? Can you tell me? मैं नौकरी छोड़कर मद्रास को पैदल में चले जाऊंगा. No child. I tell you, dear friends, that is what we give. You may say sometimes, sir, आप बहुत भाषण दे रहा है, ये टीचर ठीक से नहीं टीच कर रहा, वो टीचर नहीं कर रहा है. I can't do anything in my system sometime. I already told, good teachers are not coming, good students are going to doctor, next is going to engineering. After engineering, they don't want to get the salary in money, in Indian currency, rupees. They want salary only in dollars or euros. That's all. Now, what the available candidates we are getting, they are going. कहीं भी नौकरी नहीं मिलेगा तो लास्ट में इंडिया में ये सिस्टम चल रहा है, मैं आपके लिए बोल रहा हूँ. They are coming to the teaching post. But I tell you, we are paying more than 40,000, 45,000 to the teachers, those who are teaching 11th and 12th. The teacher who is working in Chennai with a 30% HRA is getting 56,000 rupees. No way it is less money. We are paying good salary even to the teachers. Professors are getting more than 1 lakh rupees. Senior professors are getting 1,40,000 rupees in IIM and IITs. Encourage your child to become a teacher also. This is my humble request. Otherwise the day will come, there won't be any teachers to teach your grandchild. I tell you. So with this one, last but not the least, I thank Mr. Avidesh and also his dedicated and sincere team for their wonderful, and also I wish the remaining students, those who are going to perform their cultural program. So every program, teacher koi hai, I know the teachers are there, they are doing their level best. Do your level best. Okay, may God bless you with all success in your life. Thank you very much.